How to verify with student ID and Gcash account, full guide 2026. If you're a student trying to fully verify your Gcash account, but you only have your school ID on hand, great news. Because Gcash actually accepts it, and this video will show you exactly how to do it step by step. Welcome back. Today we're covering the complete guide on how to verify your Gcash account using your student ID in 2026. Getting verified unlocks higher send limits, cash-in limits, and full access to all Gcash features. So let's get this done. Step 1. Open the Gcash app on your smartphone and make sure you're logged into your account. If you don't have the app yet, download it from the App Store or Google Play Store and complete the basic registration first. Step 2. On the Gcash home screen, tap the profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. Step 3. Tap the Verify Now button or look for the Get Verified option on your profile page. This will start the official Gcash verification process. Step 4. You will be asked to select your ID type from a list. Scroll through the options and select School ID from the available government and valid ID choices. Step 5. Prepare your physical student ID and make sure it is clean, undamaged, and clearly shows your full name, photo, and school details. Step 6. Gcash will ask you to take a photo of the front of your student ID. Hold your phone steady, make sure the entire ID fits inside the frame, and ensure the text is sharp and readable with no glare or shadows blocking the details. Step 7. Next, you will be asked to take a selfie for face verification. Position your face clearly in the frame, in a well-lit area, and follow the on-screen instructions, which may include blinking or turning your head slightly. Step 8. Review all the details you've submitted, confirm everything is correct, and tap Submit. Gcash will then process your verification, which can take anywhere from a few minutes to a few business days. Pro tip: if your verification gets rejected, the most common reason is poor image quality. Make sure you photograph your student ID in natural daylight or bright indoor lighting, lay it flat on a dark solid colored surface, and avoid using flash, which causes glare and makes text unreadable. A clear, sharp photo the first time saves you from having to resubmit. And that's your full guide to verifying your Gcash account with a student ID in 2026. Once approved, you'll enjoy the full benefits of a verified Gcash wallet with higher limits and complete feature access. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe for more helpful Gcash and finance tips, and let me know in the comments, did your verification get approved? I'd love to hear how it went. See you in the next one.